guys, I am so excited for this video. I am telling you, I think this is going to be one of the best videos ever because this is about virtual driving for dollars. Now listen, we all know that the driving for dollars list time and time again shows to be one of the best, if not the best list that you can pull to be able to reach out to those homeowners. Because let's face it, they have one of two options. Either they sink a bunch of money into their property to fix it up, or they have to sell it to a cash buyer. That should be you. So let's jump right in. In this video, I'm going to show you how to drive for dollars, how to get the information, and then how to be able to leverage your time by hiring people for $4 or $5 an hour to do this for you. So stick around for that. So listen, we all know Deal Machine is the #1 app for this. It's got the best data. It's the most user-friendly. Plus, you can use this like right now to start pulling your driving for dollars list without having to get in your car. Now, listen, if you've got time to drive around and get it and add it to your app, then do it. That's fine. But a lot of people want to do it virtually. A lot of people aren't in their markets. A lot of people want to leverage other people to be able to do this. Okay, so I'm going to give you that. Okay, so anyway, Deal Machine, when you start your 14-day trial, use the promo code TTP. Gets you $9 off once you start. Once they start billing you after the 14 days, it's only $40 a month, and you get the app and you get access here. And I'm going to show you how bananas amazing this is. Bananas amazing. Whatever. You guys get it. It's amazing. Anyway, so use the TTP code. It's the biggest discount that they give out. They love us that much. So definitely use that. So I'm going to log into this thing. Okay. And I'm right here. So just open this up. What I want you to do next is go to Google Maps. Okay. Just go to Google Maps. And what I want you to do is start out on Google Maps and just go to your satellite. Okay, and I want you to go to an area that you know is a little bit older. Now it's going to naturally just go to wherever you're at, but I want to go to an older area on the west side of town that I think that there's a ton of potential. Now, if you have any questions on where you should go, just get onto Google, start looking around and look for neighborhoods that need to be renovated. They need some love. So let's just zoom in here. Okay, and I'm looking for, I want to find some properties that maybe the pool is beat up here if you're in a warmer weathered state, or you're looking for just some, a lot of junk. Like this right here is great, this one right here. So what I want you to do is I want you to pull your little guy, right? I want you to put him here. Okay, this is going to be right. This one looks like, let's see if that's the right one that it was. Oh, somebody renovated this one, it looks like, or maybe the front of it. Maybe I'm facing the wrong way. Yeah, I'm facing the wrong way. There it is. There's the one that we want to look at. Now, what I want you to do here is, see down here on the bottom left, I want you to expand this. And I want you to keep it on this street view because it's going to be a little bit easier for you because as you zoom in, it's going to show you the lots. Okay, and then up here, if you see here, it usually gives you the address. Now, this isn't perfect, so you're going to want to play around with it, but it at least gives you an idea of where that's at. And then you go back into your Deal Machine, and you put in that address. See, I'm just pulling it right from here. I'm going to just pull 4652 West Sheridan. There we go. Boom. Right? And I've got it there. Now, what you do is... there's the property there, address found, I press it there, boom, now it is in my driving for dollars. I've mapped it, I've got it, I can start doing different things. What I obviously want you to do is you're going to get a list of these properties, you're going to export it into Excel, and then you're going to skip trace them. At batch skip tracing, obviously batchskiptracing.com, use the TTP discount code, and then you're going to call these people up. You're going to call them up and you're going to talk to them. But let's just stay virtual driving for dollars here. I don't care what your strategy is. I just want you to get the most robust driving for dollars list virtually that you can. So now you're on this street. And when you get good at this, guys, it's a little bit tedious off the bat, going back and forth, back and forth. I get it. But you're going to get into the flow here. You're going to be going down here and you're going to be seeing, oh wait, does this guy need something too? Does it, I mean, as you're going down the street, you can go right down the middle. You're seeing left to right, left to right. Where are the rough properties? Where are the properties that you really want to go after? And that's why I want you to have this map up, because you can see how many properties down you are. Because not all the time is the address going to be right up top. So this just helps you verify where you are. So this property here, the yard's a little bit rough. It looks like it's okay, but it could need some love. I want to go after it. I'm facing this way. It looks like it's 4619 West Sheridan. I'm looking here, 4619. Boom, right there. Click on it. Add it. Guys, do you guys see this? You're going through. Now, is Google Maps perfect all the time? No. Do they update every month? No. But typically it's about once a year in major cities, guys. And even if it's off a little bit, you know that a lot of these properties are not getting turned over every single year. So it's a good likelihood that they're still in really rough condition. So you're driving around. I mean, you're virtually just riding down the street like you're driving, and you're just picking these things off. You're putting them into, look at this. I mean, a ton of stuff here. You're just going here. You see that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 houses down on the south side. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boom. You add it. You add it again. You look it up. You add it. Now you're building up your list that you can skip trace, that you can call of your driving for dollars. The beautiful thing is, yes, can you do this from your office? Can you do this from your couch? Can you do this anywhere? Absolutely. But the best part is you can get other people. You go to Upwork.com right here, Upwork.com. And you put out an ad for $4 or $5 for somebody that's virtual to do that. And then the biggest tip that I can give you on hiring somebody is you go to Loom here, this Loom site. It's free. It's exactly what I'm doing here with this video, but it'll let you record what you're doing. You send the recording of exactly what you want your virtual assistant to do. Boom, they're trained in 20 minutes, and they're going at $3, $4, $5 an hour, putting in hour after hour after hour. Can you imagine what 10 hours would be, what $40 would be of driving for dollars if they can add it in certain areas? If they can add 50 to 100 addresses an hour, then you do the hard work. You get the phone numbers back from batchskiptracing.com. You get those back. You call them up. If you need the call script, of course, go to talktopeople.com. We have everything that you would need to get your first deal there. Talktopeople.com. Get in there, become a TTP insider. But listen, Deal Machine, this is the first thing. This is the first thing that you want to do. Sign up, get into Deal Machine, because this is gonna build your list. This is gonna give you all the information that you need on that property to be able to skip trace it and to be able to call them. And then you're just cruising, baby. You are just cruising down the street. You're going left and right. And I'm telling you, I was doing this for a couple hours, and you get really, really good at spotting the properties that you know need some love. Anything that the landscaping is really beat up, the roof you're looking at, you can zoom in here, guys, and you can see how old is that air conditioner, right? How old, what's going on with this property? Are these windows, those old single pane windows, do they have those old 1-inch, blinds that are just super dated? You get some ideas. Do these properties have a ton of cars in them? You're just driving, you're cruising, you're driving, you're just looking for deal after deal after deal, and you're doing it all from your house. I'm telling you guys, if you're one of your biggest issue is getting in the car or paying for gas or being consistent driving around, or you don't want to have to drive an hour, or you don't want to go into the markets that you're doing these things virtually, don't let that stop you. Build up your driving for dollars database, because it is the top list. I'm telling you, you guys got this. Dealmachine.com, use TTP promo code, start virtually driving for dollars, do it yourself, get into the zone. And if you want to get into the rhythm, if you want to hire somebody, Upwork.com, make a video on Loom, train them how to do it, and then boom, you guys are building up your driving for dollars list in any market really fast. So hope you guys love this video. Comment down below. If you got value out of this, you better hit that subscribe button because we bring so much. We try to bring the most value possible 3 to 4 times every single week. So hit the subscribe button. You guys are the absolute best. If you need any extra tips and resources, talktopeople.com. Love you guys. See ya.